So this is a look at my house off campus. I live pretty far off campus. I'll show you the backyard first. We have bike racks, which is awesome. Random yoga mat. But this is a quick look at everything. We have a picnic table, we have a dye table, we have a big old pomegranate tree, and then a little garden in the back that we're gonna replant once school starts. And then lots of plants. And then this is a look at the house. This is our kitchen. If you haven't guessed, we really like plants. And then going into the living room, we have Robbie, which is our house bear. All of our craft stuff and paintings. I really love this place. And it's actually not that expensive. We're gonna have 6 people here, and the rent is gonna be split up just about $600 to $500 each. We're splitting it up because the room sizes are a little different. So this is my room. This is my roommate Laura's side, and this is my side. And it's pretty big, but it is still for twins. There's 3 bedrooms. There's another bathroom through there and another bedroom. And then we have another bathroom through here. So you can find really great places on campus or off campus for not that much. But if you do some searching, here you go.